So if you've seen any of our videos from Lucore Automotive or LucoreRacing, you understand that we do a lot of alignments in this shop. For instance, this 2019 Jeep with a lift kit on it, it's one of the things we do. We do quite a few of them. This one is all done, ready to send out for the new customer. Brand new truck, ready to go. Lift kit, tires, wheels, Fox shocks. It's a pretty nice setup. Took a little extra work. I wanted some extra caster in it. I highly recommend putting caster eccentrics in it so you can adjust extra caster into the alignment. Anytime you lift a vehicle, you want to add caster to it. Those caster eccentrics do not come from the factory in these Jeeps, and you have to remove knockouts from the factory mounting locations on the front axle for those to go in and operate properly. It takes a little bit of time and a little bit of money for the eccentrics, but it's well worth it for the added stability. So now that I'm all done with the alignment on this Jeep, we're going to pull in a lowered 240SX, set the alignment up on it for some track stability, and then we'll have a little fun on a test drive.
For anyone who's spent any time at all around 80s or 90s tuner culture, or realistically any motorsport that involves sliding around with lots of noise and smoke, the 240SX platform shouldn't really need any introduction. From the factory, these cars came from Nissan as quality performers. However, their party piece over the last 20 years is the incredible range of upgrades and modifications available. In this case, the customer swapped the old setup for a coilover configuration that allows us to dial in the geometry exactly how we and the customers want it. So, for all of you youngsters out there wondering, when will I ever use this in real life? When you're in geometry class, this is it, kid. Making a car go down a track, around corners, is all about geometry and physics.
Is nice.
With the rear dialed in, we move on to the front. The nice thing is, with the caster camber plates and the coilover conversion that this customer used, we have essentially control over just about everything we want geometry-wise. In order to be able to dial this in, we want to go for a specific caster number, which allows us to get a better steering stabilization, a better camber number, which gives us a better corner stabilization number, as well as proper toe so we're not scrubbing off tires as we're driving down the road. All of that stuff is completely adjustable.
So this 1998 Nissan 240SX was in for a little more aggression in the turns. This is a backroads twisty-turny car. I can't really think of a better car to really enjoy than an RB swapped 240SX. This thing's a pretty nice car. Should be a lot of fun in the turns. I had done the alignment previously. He was real happy with it. Unfortunately, one of the top camber adjustments came loose, so I had him bring it in. I reset his rear camber, made sure everything else was the way it needed to be, and now it's ready to head on down the road. Test drives, the best part of the day. He's got a squirrel under the hood. couple more alignments down. Time to get back to work on a diesel truck.